Hi fellow DIYers! Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a handbag gift box. You can use it as a candy bag, you can put your party favors inside, you can also use it as a gift box. You can pretty much put anything that you like in here as long as it fits. You can also personalize it by putting a name on the tag. So let's get started! Open your Design Space app, click Upload, click Upload Image, click Browse. When you download the zip files from Etsy, make sure you download the one that says -svg. I'll click this one with -svg, and then here we need to upload these two files. So I'll click the first one, click Open, and then click Upload. And then we'll upload the other one. Then click the second file and then Open. Click Upload. Now click the two files that we've just uploaded and then add to Canvas. If you've seen my previous videos, you'll notice that this is something that I like to do. I use a template in order for me to maximize the size of cardstock. So I'll click Shapes, and then choose the square one. So I'll change the size to 11.5 by 11.5. I'll send it to back. And then I'll change the color to light gray so I can see the pieces better. These trapezoid shapes will be the front and the back of the bag, so I'll use this square template to make sure they have the same size. Make sure they are grouped together when sizing them. I changed the color of this one so I can check better if they're equal. Now that we're done sizing them, we can delete this square. Now we can ungroup them. Click this top part. Then change the operation to score. Now the broken lines that we see are going to be scored by the machine using the scoring tool. Now click this top part again, then click Ungroup. So these letters and numbers, we don't need them, so we can delete them. Then click Ungroup again. Then select this piece, then click Attach. Select this one and then attach. And for this one, click on Group. Then click this part of the piece and then go to Operation, change it to Score. Then click this together and then click Attach. Then click Make It. Then here we can move the pieces away from each other. Click Continue. And click medium cardstock. You can leave this as default or you can adjust it to more. Press the Flash and Go button on your machine. So this is the cardstock that I'm going to be using. So as we can see here, there are score lines on each side that will help us fold this piece easily. We can see another score line here that we need to fold. I'm using a hot glue for this project, but you can also use an all-purpose glue. You can also put your handle this way. And there we have it. I hope you liked this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. All feedback is welcome and any feedback is good feedback. Please subscribe to my channel and check out my other tutorial videos. See you in the next episode of DIY by Sass. Thanks for watching!